Welcome to today's video. Today we'll be covering area and perimeter of non-traditional shapes, as I would like to call them, or I call them wonky. Weird, wonky, however you like it. So, most likely on the ACT, they'll give you a shape that looks like that. Looks like the shape of Utah, if you know what that looks like. And they'll give you something like 9, say that's 3. We'll say that is 3 as well. And that is 18. So, maybe wondering, we'll find both the perimeter and the area of both that. So, you may be wondering how you do that. Well, we're missing this one and this one. So we know that part of this is 3 and the full thing is 9. So we can assume the full thing of this plus this should also be 9. So we take 9 minus the 3, which was 6. 6 and 3 would be 9, which would equal the full area here. Same with this. We know that the full side length of this is 18. Part of it is 3, which leaves us with this part. So if we take 18 minus 3, we'll get the remainder of this, getting that, which would be 15. So 15 here plus 3 here would give you a total of 18. So, knowing that, we can now find the perimeter. So you just add up all your sides. Not 18 plus 9 plus 15 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 should get you 54 units. Since I did not state whether it was in feet or inches that we're doing it, it's just units. So, now using area, you can split it into multiple ways. You can split it either this way and get a big rectangle and a small rectangle, or you can split it this way and get a small rectangle and a big rectangle this way, or split it into 3 and get a small, slightly larger one and a big one. Doesn't matter which way you go, they'll all end up the same way. Let's just go, since we split it up 3 ways, we might as well go 3 ways and just do 6 times 3, which is 18. Then we can do 15th is the length of this, 3 is the height of that, 15 times 3 is 45. Then we have the length of 6 times 15. 6 times 15, I believe it is a 90. I was off by 10. Alright, so you might have gotten 135 for the area of this, which would be 18 times 9. Wait. Nope, my bad. 15 times 9 because it's on the up here times that. So 15 times 9 should equal your 135. Or you would have gotten, for the area of these two would have been 108 because it would be 6 times 18. So either way, you would have gotten the same stuff. You add up your area, 18 times 18 plus 90 plus 45 gives you 153 units squared. Remember, when you're squaring or when you're multiplying, all of it is squared. We'll do another example. Let's just say, make myself a random That's a weird looking shape to me. Looks like a trophy stand to me personally. So, given that, we'll have to know let's see here. We need to know that, let's say that this is 5. This is 3. Say this is 14 down here. Now this is 8. And this is, we'll say 4. And this is, I don't know, 12. That looks good to me. Alright. So, all we're missing is these two now. We know that this length plus this length plus this length will equal this full length. So you can do 14 minus 5 minus 3, or 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 minus 14 minus 8, which is 6. So 6 plus 5 plus 3 will equal 14, full length. So, you know, this plus this side will have to equal this plus that side. So we know the full length of this side will be 14 plus 4 plus 12 is 16. So this full length will also have to equal 16. That's a weird squiggly thing. Okay. Anywho. So 16 minus that will equal that, which is 8. 8 plus 8 will equal 16, which equals both sides. Now, we can determine the perimeter and the area. Go to perimeter first. I'll start with 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8. 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 12. See, 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 12. There we go. Alright. I think I got everything. So that should be 60 units. Then, we can split it in multiple ways. Split it here. Here, you could possibly split it this way and get yourself 4 triangles. Most likely that won't work, so the only ways you can split it is just this way and this way. Give you 3 triangles, or 3 rectangles. So you know this height's 8, this is 6, so that's 48. You know this is 5. This full length 16. 16 times 5, once again, is 90. This length is 12. This length is 3. So this should be 36. You add up the lengths, or add up these 3 numbers, and you should get 174 if I did that right. Units squared, or units squared. So that's a basic summary of doing area and perimeter of shapes that are not like your traditional squares, triangles, and circles and all that stuff. It's not your traditional shapes. It's very wonky, weird looking shapes. So, I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. If you'd like to comment down below on any additional videos that you would like me to do in the future, and subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next lesson.